How to add background image in KineMaster. It's super simple process to watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out any of it. First, go ahead and tap create new. Choose the aspect ratio and tap on create. Once you tap on create, you will go on this. Now tap on photo. Now once you tap on photo, you will get this image assets. Tap on it. From here, tap on the image you would like as your background image. Now once you tap on it, go back, and all you have to do is go on layer. Now once you go on layer, go to media. From here, select the image or video you would want to keep. Let me keep this one. Now once you select it, tap on here. Now you can add it like this. From here, go to okay, let me just crop it like this. Toggle it on. Now crop it by adjusting its edges like this. Now once you adjust its edges like this, adjust it like this as well. You can adjust its edge like this. Super simple and easy. Now once you adjust it, go back. You can also add filters from here like this. Once you add it, play the video. Let me play it. And just like this, you just added image in your background. Super simple and easy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any other videos. Thank you for watching.